How to reply to specific message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your iPhone. Once you are here, you can view all your messages over here. Now, open the conversation you want to reply. Inside the chat, find Message Bubbles. Now, press and hold on a message to reveal a pop-up menu with several options. From the menu, simply tap on the Reply option to initiate and reply. The keyboard will appear, and you can type your response in the input text field. Once you are done typing your reply, tap the arrow icon to send it. Your text is now sent as a threaded reply, making it clear which message you are responding to. Tap on the cross icon to go back to the original chat. You will see the original message that was replied to has a small note that indicates that message has a reply. You can add several replies to a specific text that you choose. Following these steps, you can easily reply to a specific message on an iPhone.